Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the interrelationships between motivational factors from students' views on working from home, WFH, during COVID-19 pandemic within ASEAN 8 regions. The author for this paper consists of 4 of us. That is Rozinah IENNE2020, that is myself from University Science Malaysia, USM, Malaysia. IENNE2020 from University Andalas, Padang, Sumatra, Indonesia. Lee Van Hau and Giang Li Thi from Nha Trang and Ho Chi Minh University, Vietnam. For this paper, I will talk about the introduction, problem statement, literature review, methodology, data analysis, results and discussion, and conclusion for our research paper. As we know that working from home is the new possible way in a bid to contain the ongoing coronavirus or COVID-19 outbreak, so as to break the chain and flatten the curve according to the World Health Organization 2020. The post-COVID-19 pandemic will not be practicing the same old normal ways, but now it's called the new normal, where you are not able to shake hands, you are going to practice social distancing, avoid crowd gatherings so as to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Due to this strict lockdown implemented, all higher education institutions were closed down and were told to work from home. And this will be a new culture shock. It will be a culture shock for all teachers, students, and also parents at home to conduct learning virtually or to work on online learning environment. Therefore, this paper is keen to look into the interrelationships of motivational factors by Keller 2010 towards learning among students during work from home basis, as people are centrally concerned about motivation among students. As we know, the problem statement, regardless of whether the instruction is synchronous, required at specific time, or asynchronous, that can be done at any time, learning is still questionable without a motivated teacher and an engaged student. According to Pakeko 2020, views his opinion saying that some teachers and many students think online learning is a waste of time. In addition, disadvantaged learners may not have computers access or a reliable internet connection. Therefore, we want to find, is online learning effective? In addition, learners often report lower satisfaction with online learning. One fact is that it's hard to debate that good teachers are always a good teachers, regardless of any circumstances. As such, the following recommendations are designed to enhance motivation across learning platforms, but are especially helpful for online instruction during these unusual circumstances created by this COVID-19 crisis. For the literature review of this paper, I talk about the motivational theory, that is by Locke Goal Setting Theory by Locke and Latham 2018, McClellan's Achievement by McClellan 1961, Howell's Drive Reduction Theory in Shrita's 2017, but for this paper, we concentrate on Keller's Motivational Theory by John Keller 1989, and it consists of ARCS model, that is attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction. The methodology used for this research is a quantitative study conducted to 330 undergraduate students. There are 23 items on a 5-point Likert scale, 1 strongly disagree to 5 strongly agree. And the reliability score ranges from 0.73 to 0.94, that is greater 0.6. The objective of this research is to investigate the interrelationship between attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction, that is ARCS motivational factors, from students' view on working from home, WFH, during COVID-19 pandemic within 8 ASEAN regions. And these 8 ASEAN regions consist of this demographic sampling from Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, and there are some other missing result. There is 330 participants altogether. The item of this compa alpha ranges from 0.73 to 0.94, which is greater 0.06. And we use a factor analysis of external factor analysis with very mixed rotation, which can be seen in this table. And the results and discussion of the standard deviation value ranges from 0.65 to 0.723, which is less than 1. And the correlation factors or motivational factors also can be seen in these slides. That is, attention relevance 0.658, attention confidence 0.451, relevance confidence 0.414, confidence satisfaction 0.590, and the results of ANOVA of the age group ranges from 31 to 40 years of age for this group of sample. So we can see that the results of ANOVA of the country or origin, there is attention 0.000, which is significant, relevance 0.000, which is significant, and therefore conclusion, we can summarize that the study shows that all the 4 factors of motivation, that is attention, confidence, relevance and satisfaction in CALA 2010 model, have a high interrelationships from students' views within these 8 ASEAN region countries. Students in the surveyed countries all access 4 elements of ARCS with good high response level, high mean of 3.40 and high correlation between attention and relevance, that is 0.658, attention and confidence 0.451, relevance and confidence 0.414, and confidence and satisfaction 0.590. It is positively correlated with 99% confidence, with the correlation coefficient ranges from 0.610 to 0.658. The interrelationship between the 4 elements of ARCS is highly correlated. That's all. Thank you.